In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge two images in Photopea quickly and cleanly using the easiest method when you only want to combine two specific layers. This is perfect if you're editing a design, making a thumbnail, or arranging multiple images in one project and you want those two layers to become one. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Photopea tutorials, editing tips, and simple step-by-step guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your project in Photopea and make sure the images you want to merge are already placed as separate layers. If you don't see them yet, you'll need to add them first so they appear in the Layers panel. On the right side of the screen, find the Layers panel. This is where all of your image layers are listed, and it's the key to merging them properly. Now click on the first image layer you want to combine. You'll see it become selected. Then hold Ctrl on Windows or CMD on Mac and click the second image layer as well. Once you do that, both layers should be highlighted in grey, which tells you they are selected together. This step is important because Photopea will only merge the layers you actively choose. After both layers are selected, right-click on either one of the highlighted layers. A menu will appear with different layer options. From that menu, choose Merge Layers. Photopea will instantly combine those two images into a single layer. At that point, your two images are merged and you can move, resize, or edit them together as one object. This is especially useful when you want to keep your project organized while still preserving the rest of your layers. If you want to merge more than two layers later, you can use the same process by selecting the layers you want first and then choosing Merge Layers again. Just remember, if you merge layers, they become one layer, so it's a good idea to duplicate your project first if you want a backup. That way, you can always go back if needed. And that's how to merge two images in Photopea using the selected layers method. Simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.